Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat2 answer 3. Okay, so the first question is, if the game object is off, then tell which of the following methods will get called. 1 awake, 2 start, 3 update and 4 none. Okay, so answer of this question would be none of the method will get executed because like the game object is deactivated. So first, the awake method it gets called as soon as the object is instantiated in a scene. Okay, then the start will get called in the first frame that after the object gets instantiated, and if the behavior the component that is on a game object is active. Okay, so in the then the update. Okay, so update method gets called in every frame, but since our behavior or actually in this case our entire game object is deactivated, it will not get called. Okay, so like none of the methods will get called in this in this case. Then the second question is, if the game object is on but the script is disabled, then tell which of the following methods will get called. Okay, so first awake, second start, third update and fourth option is none. Okay, so the answer to this question would be like only the awake method gets called, because as I said, awake is a method that gets called as soon as the object is instantiated in a scene. Okay, so in this case our object is on, so that is why like it has been instantiated in a scene, but like so the awake method will get called. But the start method and like it start method gets called on like as soon as the behavior is like active in scene. Okay, so the first frame that the behavior or the component gets active, and update will get called in every frame. So in this case our component, that behavior that we attached our script is disabled, so that is why start and update will not be called. Okay, so thank you.